Watch this turtle race, while we share tips for caring for pet turtles. It's important to note that turtles should not be kept on wooden floors for extended periods. It's unsafe for both the turtles and humans. Pet turtles are known for their quiet nature and minimal care requirements, making them attractive companions. While they are not known for being interactive or affectionate, they can harbor diseases and often have long lifespans, sometimes outliving their owners. There is a diverse range of turtle species available. Some are more suitable as pets than others. Certain species may grow quite large, some are recognized for their sociability and gentle temperament, and each species has its own specific needs for space, lighting, and nutrition.